does dangerously make... Why do I have to keep starting the vlog at 5 in the morning? Right, so today is going to be a 99% train vlog, as we're going in the train from Mumbai to Goa, which is 12 hours long. Really excited all trip to find out what a train in India will be like. Guess it's time to find out. We've made it in Kalyan about an hour earlier. It's pretty hectic here. Trying to find our platform now, it's quite confusing. It's definitely worth noting. It's worth noting for the future, working out where the train is actually leaving from, because we didn't know beforehand that this place is 40 kilometers outside Mumbai. It's really crazy actually seeing in real life people jamming on trains like that. So we didn't know this when we first arrived, but the train that we're getting on is an hour late. We're just trying to work out what carriage we're on. Just spoken to a bloke and he sort of explained it, so hopefully it'll work. Some guy literally just walked across the train tracks and no one blinked an eyelid. Madness. That does dangerously make sense. How are you feeling, Kieran? Great. So we tried to make sure that we made it here on time, so miles out of the city. And now we get here, and now we've been sitting here for 3 whole hours, and we have no idea when the train's coming. So I just went and found an English-speaking person, and he then told me, after I went about half an hour back, and they said that it was delayed and late. So I went to a guy who spoke English, and he told me straight away that apparently we've missed our train, even though we've been here for 3 hours now, and we were here like over an hour early. Do you speak English? We were here, we've been here since like 7:30, and we kept asking, they said that the train is late.
What's your good name?
Morgan.
Morgan?
Yeah.
Where you came from?
We came from Mumbai, Bandra. Bombay, yeah.
When you came at Lucknow?
We came here 7:30.
7:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
Then where are you going? That train was late from Kalyan.
Late from Kalyan?
Yeah.
So when?
Your ticket is cancelled.
What?
ये कैंसिल होगा क्या तत्काल है क्या?
कैंसिल उसका कहना है कि ट्रैवलिंग कैंसिल होगा.
नहीं उसको 2 minutes that way.
Yeah, station master.
Station master. Okay. Well, that was very confusing. Apparently 2 minutes this way is the station master. Hello. How were we meant to know what was the train?
We have no train available to Goa. Now,
Okay.
no train here available to Goa. The ticket is invalid.
Okay.
Then left and the ticket is invalid.
Okay.
You please go to Thane station.
Down there?
Thane station. Station name Thane. Thane, Thane.
Thane station.
Thane station and boarding at Thane to Goa.
Okay. Cool, thank you. So this is very confusing, but I've just been told to go to Thane station, and apparently there are trains going to go there, but I mean, we were here since 7:30, our train was at 8:30, apparently it went off at 9:30, but no one told us that. Like, we were sitting there and every train that went past, none of them were on. So there are no more trains here going to Goa, and like, they spoke very broken English, said something about going to Thane station. Look, can you look up where that is? So each car has numbers like these, and where the numbers are down there, but none of the numbers matched up with our... Hello? None of them matched up with our train, and like, there is no useful information here. This is the board that tells you what trains are coming. And there aren't very many English speakers here, and if there are, they're very broken English, which is fine, but we weren't able... Every time we went to speak to them, all they said was it's running late, it's running late. That was all the information we got. We looked at every carriage for our number and we didn't see it. Somehow we've missed it. So now we're sort of weighing up our options and working out what to do. We think we might be able to get from A station on this train, but we're not 100% sure at the moment, so we're just not going to risk it. This guy also looked at the camera. Yeah, let's take a picture. Wait. There we go. What's so annoying about this is that we're trying to do this travelling on a budget, but we've now missed one bus and one train, which cost us over 30 quid, which is a day's budget, a bit more than a day's budget. As if this couldn't get any better. May or may not have started fucking raining! But I'm not angry. I'm still calm. This is calm me. This is really calm. I'm being calm. So far today, we woke up at 5 AM, got to the train station around 7:30, left the train station at about 11:30, and it's now 12:15, and we're just heading back to where we started. Good afternoon, people. Last time I saw you, I was getting in a cab all the way over in Kalimon, which is miles away. It's outside of Mumbai. Now I'm here, back in Mumbai, in this amazing apartment, thanks to one of Kieran's family friends, Rahil, who's very kindly let us stay for the night. We met Rahil yesterday after the vlog ended, and he was exceptionally nice in showing us around Mumbai and showing us what we've been missing. We also had the best food we'd had all trip when we were with him, which was outstanding. Waiting till tomorrow where we're going to have flights to Goa. But until then, we're going to enjoy the views. Now we're just going to chill for the rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow.